need
It's not amateur hour anymore.
Welcome to Pretend Cooking with Dr. Whitbeck and his sidekick,
Hunter.
Today we're going to make the Muddy Buddy treat. That is trademarked, so we're going to call it the Buddies of the Muddy. It's very simple. You need 9 cups of Chex cereal, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. It's very simple. We'll combine the ingredients. We put 9 cups of Chex into a bowl, and then we need a second bowl. Let's put our chocolate chips in that bowl, along with our butter and our peanut butter. That's why we have this spatula. You want to get as much of your peanut butter in there as possible. Delicious peanut butter. And since we've washed our hands, we can use our fingers. Very good. And then to the microwave. 1 minute. Take your melted ingredients out and stir them up. If your chocolate chips aren't fully melted, you can put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Now we're going to take our 1 teaspoon of Tastes Great, Smells Horrible. Smells great.
Smells great,
Tastes horrible. Vanilla extract. Pour it in there, mix it up. And then it gets poured over the rice Chex. Chocolatey goodness. Just right. Get it all. You don't have to do that because you're going to just mix it with that. Whatever you do, don't lick your spatula at this point. Right in, and then gently mix it up. Some recipes say to do this in a plastic bag, but we have not found a plastic bag large enough. Be sure to have a dog available on the floor in case anything falls out. Oh! Do not let your dogs eat the chocolate. It is toxic to them.
We still need the background music.
Evenly mixed. And then once it's evenly mixed, very gently put in your powdered sugar because it will make a mess. at this point, your Muddy Buddies are pretty much ready to serve. It's much better if you use our secret method of putting them in the refrigerator for about a half an hour before you eat them. All you need is a big cookie sheet and some parchment paper.
And now into the fridge. Dad, the Muddy Buddies are ready. I'm gonna open the fridge.
And now it's time to taste.
Yum.
Nice.
Chocolatey goodness.
Chocolatey, just a hint of peanut butter. Nice sugary. Great treat for a rainy afternoon or a sunny afternoon. Make your Muddy Buddies. Even a child can do it.